adding light to your house, especially whether it be a large house or a small house, just adds a lot of character, adds a lot of light. The celestial windows that we've got in here, the origami porch that we've got out here with the trapezoid windows over it, patio doors, double window design without taking up a lot of floor space, because they'll bring those windows up off the floor so you're still able to put furniture there. One of the things that I can tell you is when you start adding character like bay windows, those type of windows really add a lot of character to your home. And you might be going into an RV community, a park model community where you've got this, and hey, a lot of people are going to turn their heads when they see something like this.
Love it.
Aren't these beautiful park models? Well, they're even more beautiful when you can come and see them in person. Call the number on the screen, let one of our housing consultants arrange for a model village tour today.